Okay, for question 2, part B, we just have to convert our answers from part A, which you had in Euler's form, which is here, into Cartesian form, which is of the form A plus I times B. So what we'll do first is we'll convert our answers into mod arg form first, and then work them out from there. So for this one here, which you had, which is Z, was equal to 2 times E to the pi over 4 times I. So in mod arg form, it's going to become 2 brackets cos of our argument, which is pi over 4, plus I times sine of pi over 4. So that is equal to 2 times, well, cos of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2, plus I times, and sine of pi over 4 is also root 2 over 2. And working all that out, well, the 2's are going to cancel, so we're going to be just left with, so these 2's will cancel here. So we're going to be left just with root 2 plus I root 2. Okay, and then for the next one, which you had, which was Z is equal to e to the negative 3 pi I over 4. So that is equal to 2 times cos negative 3 pi over 4 plus I sine negative 3 pi over 4. So both cos and sine are negative in the third quadrant, and negative 3 pi over 4 is in the third quadrant. So we're going to get that is equal to 2 times, well, cos of negative 3 pi over 4 is negative root 2 over 2, plus I times, and sine of negative 3 pi over 4 is negative root 2 over 2. And again, we just cancel the 2's there, and we're going to be left with that being equal to negative root 2 minus I times root 2. Okay, so there's our 2 answers for question 2, part B.